Hello, hello. Do you know? Do you know that every country in the world is affected by one or more forms of malnutrition? And also, consequences of undernutrition is irreversible. But the good news is it can be prevented. For you to be watching me right now, you must be a concerned mom, dad, aunt, uncle. The list can go on and on, but we all care for those little ones, and we care that they maximize their potential in terms of faculty, in terms of physical development, in all respect. Indeed, we all care that they reach their maximum potential and nothing less. Stick with me. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing 3 recipes that will not only nourish your child as he grows to fulfill his potential, but will also stimulate weight gain fast, particularly in those undernourished children. Of course, I and my son will use most of it, but he have a peak. But what can I do? I keep on trying. I don't give up anyway. I keep on trying that he accept the other ones so that I will prevent picky eating in time. But of course, I give him more of that one he loved the more. Come on, let's get started already. Bobo, hey. Oh dear, you're still eating. Eat. Ah! No, not just. Ah. Goodbye. I. Goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Oh my God, mommy need to do other things. Yeah.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hope you remembered our experiment. Come on, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yeah, this is it. One turned brown and the other, which have orange juice on the surface, didn't. Yes, the process is actually called enzymatic browning. So enzymatic browning is common in fruit like apple, avocado, and banana because of the activity of oxygen in the atmosphere. And we all know that orange are a fantastic source of vitamin C, and that vitamin C, which is also called as ascorbic acid, is an antioxidant vitamin, and that is what prevented this other one from turning brown. Yeah, if it turned brown, it's still well edible. Nothing happened to it. The nutrient content is still quite very much intact, and even the taste sometimes, particularly if it is not left for a long time, it was well preserved, the taste will still pretty much remain the same. So if you don't like it, just scoop out the black part and throw it away, or cut it out in case of apple or avocado that you didn't blend at all. These are quite simple. We have come to the end of it, and if you notice, across all the 3 recipes, I used at least one major source of monounsaturated fat, which is a super healthy fat. Alright, recipes that have nuts in them, make sure your infant doesn't have nut allergy before trying. Just give me a thumbs up if you learned anything new in this video. What are you feeding your infant right now? Let me know in the comment section below. I will really be glad to know. And which one would you like to try for yourself, for an infant, for any just to take a good nutrient down? Which one would you like to try? Please make sure you subscribe for more. Thank you.